Chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress (Aitc), Mamata Banerjee, on Tuesday assured that her party will solve the long-pending boundary dispute if voted to power in 2023. Appealing to the people of Meghalaya to vote for the TMC, the West Bengal Chief Minister clarified their intention, saying it's not to capture power or to control Meghalaya from Kolkata, but their intention is to ensure sons of the soil will take care. Regarding the implementation of ILP in the state, Banerjee assured that once her party formed the government in the state, an expert committee will be set up and necessary action will be taken.
You see, this is a very sensitive issue. After the government is formed, then our state government will set up an experts committee and they will take a decision, because it is a very, very sensitive issue since long. Nobody is taking care, and BJP has taken it very lightly, and also NPP. But we are taking it very seriously. So they will, if the government, our government is there, they will take up the issue and they will set up a experts committee and they will take the necessary action.
Two former